Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and app tutorials in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to find the CVV number on the USAA app in 2025. Whether you're making an online purchase or just need to verify your card details, knowing where to look can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the USAA app installed on your smartphone. This is crucial because app updates often change layouts for better security. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a quick verification code. Don't worry, it's just an extra layer of protection. After logging in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards section. It's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your linked cards. Select the card you're interested in, for example, your debit or credit card. Now, here's where it gets specific. On the card details page, scroll down or look for a View Details button. In the 2025 update, USAA has made this even easier with a dedicated security tab. Tap on that, and you should see options for card information. The CVV number, that 3 or 4-digit code on the back of your card, might not be displayed directly for security reasons. Instead, you'll likely need to select Show CVV or enter a PIN if required. Once you do, the number will appear on screen for a few seconds. Be sure to memorize it or jot it down securely. Remember, never share your CVV over email or unencrypted messages. It's meant for one-time use in secure transactions. And just like that, you're done. Finding your CVV on the USAA app is quick and secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your app settings or contact USAA support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video.